If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Definitely been a minute. I have the weirdest setup right now, but it's working. I do have a couple of new products that I kind of been loving lately, and then a handful that I'm gonna be testing out for this video. Alright, so we're gonna start off first with our e.l.f. Cosmetics primer and just like rub it, warm up the product. It's like very sticky, which I'm loving because I'm guessing that's how it holds all of the products.
Alright, so here we are starting with the voiceover. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Gel on my spoolie and combing it through my brows just to give it a nice fluffier, fuller look. I then like to use the back of the spoolie to flatten the hair onto my skin just so it's much easier to apply the brow pen. And then here I'm going with my Bobbi Brown correcting stick in the color peach to just wash out any darkness that I have going on, and then using my ring finger to blend everything out. Next, I'll be dotting all over my face my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Love this stuff. And then I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush to blend everything in. Using the NYX Professional Makeup Brow Tint Pen in the shade Ash Brown to draw hair-like strokes on both of my brows. I'm then going to highlight my face using the Makeup Forever HD Concealer in the shade 31, and also going in with the OG Contour Stick in the shade Amber. I'll then be blending out my concealer using the Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques and my contour using the OG Blending Brush. Then for my nose, I like to use a smaller blending brush just to have a much more precise, controlled contour. Here I am blending everything out with my beauty blender just so I can make sure there are no creases so I can start baking using my Dermablend translucent powder. Then we'll be using the shade Ghosty all over our eyelids, and then going in with Nudist to make sure our crease has a very nice browned color to blend everything together. And then I like to go back in with Cocoa to define the outer crease and give it a much more defined look.
Go with my Real Techniques 402 setting brush to just dust off all the baking we did earlier today. Then we're gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade Medium with our blush brush. I'm going to set this all with the Max Fix Plus. I forgot blush. This has been happening to me all the time and I'm like, I don't know why, like I love blush. I'm just going to use the Milani's Luminoso to take out the excess. And then I'm going to finish with my eyes, but I'm not good at doing that on camera, so alright, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was quite natural, but definitely the lashes give it that extra oomph for sure. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Mm-hmm.